Hello everyone, my name is Wilson Trimindal and this is my video report. So, our topic for today is Inclusion-Exclusion Principle. So, what is Inclusion-Exclusion Principle or PHI? Exclusion Principle is counting the techniques used to determine the number of elements in the union of finite sets. It addresses the issues of overcounting by adding the number of elements in each set, then subtracting the number of elements in the intersection of each pair of sets, then back the number of elements in the intersection of each two sets, and triple offsets. So force is for two sets. If you have two sets, A and B, the number of elements in their union A union B is calculated as A plus B, then A intersection B. So what is A finite A? A is represents the number of elements in a set, and then B is represent the number of elements in also in set B. So what is the intersection A intersection B is represents the number of elements common to both A and B or the intersection. Example for two sets. Let's say we have two sets of students in a class. Set A, students who play basketball, also 15 students. And then sa set B is students who play volleyball in set B is equals 12 students. Some students play both sports. Let's say A intersection B all pagkaparehas ilang dalawa. Also, 5 students is the same sports and play both basketball and volleyball. So this is the given or answer. The inclusion-exclusion principle states that the total number of students who play either basketball or volleyball, and then A plus B, and then minus A intersection B. So the answer is 15 plus 12 minus 5 is 22 students. Therefore, 22 students play either basketball or volleyball upon the subtraction of A intersection. Corrects for the students who were counted twice, once in a set A and once in a set B. This ensures we only count each student once in the total. And then let's move on to for three sets. The example of for three sets. Let's say you have three sets. A student taking a math, B is students taking a science, and C students taking history. So this is the given of three sets. So ang A value daw is 25, then ang B is 30, then ang C is 20, then an A intersection B is 5, and A intersection C is 8, then B intersection C is 3, then A intersection B and C is 2. The number of students taking at least one of the subject is. So this is the answer or given or formula. So let's start with 25 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 75. And then next is to the parenthesis. 5 plus 8 plus 3 is also equals 16. And then copy plus 2. So let's move to next answer is 75 minus 16 plus 2 is equals to 61. Therefore, 61 students are taking at least one of math, science, or history. For conclusion, in essence of PHI helps to avoid double counting elements that belong to multiple sets by including them once in each they belong to, then subtracting their intersection, and so on until the overcounting is eliminated.